New Mexico has a really steeped history in space access, space travel, and space development. We are excited to bring Virgin Galactic down there to bring the next step in commercial space travel.
Suddenly, New Mexico will be one of just a very few places on the planet which are hosting human spaceflight launches. Our flight test program has demonstrated a full profile going up into space and back down.
Spaceship Unity, welcome to space.
Copy, base, $1 million view.
We have a bit more of our flight test program to do, which we'll complete in New Mexico. At that point, we will be in a place where we'll be able to start commercial operations. And so this moment is just one that we've been working for a long time, and we're very excited to get to it.
Spaceport America is going to afford us a unique opportunity for our customers. When they arrive at the spaceport, it's not just where the spaceship is housed or the White Knight is housed. It's where they're going to be trained, where they're going to have lunch, where they're going to get to know the team they fly to space with, and the mechanics and dispatchers taking care of the ship. And the building is just a magical place. Sir Norman Foster, architects, designed it. They did their job spot on. It really invokes that feeling of uniqueness. It lets you know you're about to take a remarkable journey.
We have a lot of excited employees and families excited to move out to New Mexico and experience Las Cruces and the New Mexico culture.
For me personally, I'm really excited. It's the pursuit of human spaceflight operations is why I came to Virgin Galactic.
I think I speak for everyone at Virgin Galactic and the Spaceship Company when I say a huge thank you to the state of New Mexico and all of its citizens for creating this amazing facility. We will be a platform for new space experiments to be able to fly to space from New Mexico. It's something that all of the students, all of the teachers, all of the parents around the state can be hugely proud of. It will show that New Mexico is competing at the very front lines of technological innovation, and we recognize the amount of work and effort that it has taken to this point.